Hello, everyone. I'm happy to share with you this amazing free hack you need to know. I want to show you how I make use of AI without having any data on my phone. Yes, you can actually make use of AI tools without having a single data on your phone. If you want to know how you can do that, please stay tuned to the end of this video. Watch this video to the end for you to know how you can actually do that. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the practical because too much talking cannot solve anything, but using the practical, the reality of everything will make you understand how you can achieve it. Let's go. Okay, this is me. I just moved over to my Facebook app. If you don't have Facebook app in your phone, you have to download it. Now look for Meta AI. You will see where is Meta AI in the SMS side. Then what you have to do here is to type whatever you want AI to help you and do, to help you and write anything at all. If you can see me, I'm scrolling up and down this messages side. I have done a lot of things here. I have sent AI some inputs to help me through the results, and AI has really helped me a lot. Okay, what we are going to do here is to give this AI any prompt at all. Give the AI any command. You can write anything. You can even ask AI the process of cooking any particular soup, or even the niches that paid high in YouTube, anything at all. Okay, let's just type anything. What is the best title to give to my sorry sorry for the network. What is the best title to give to my cooking practicals I just finished? Okay, look at what, are you seeing it? Are you seeing the answers already? The Meta AI is now suggesting so many topics for me to choose. It is now suggesting so many topics for me to choose the most suitable. I can glance through them, I can go through it and pick one of the topics from all these topics the AI suggested for me. Are you getting it? Okay, look at it. Mastering dish name, exploring cuisine, the arts of specific cooking technique, a practical guide. Okay, let's just ask AI any other thing again. What is the best YouTube niches I will start now that will pay me big money? Big money. Okay, now let's see it together. Let's see it together. Do you see here are some are the top YouTube niches that can potentially generate big money? Number one is personal finance and investing. Personal finance and investing. Another one is, are you seeing it? This one can pay from $12 to $40 depending. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it yourself? Then another one is technology and gadgets. This one is between $7 to $30 depending on the people, on the audience watching your video. Another one is health and fitness. You understand? They have so many lucrative niches which you can go through them if it is what you want to know about. So this is how you can make use of your AI tool in your phone without any data. You know, Facebook is giving some um megabytes on daily basis. For those of us that are based in Nigeria, Facebook is giving some megabytes, even to no, I think it's applicable to all the countries making use of this Facebook app. You can, if you have the free megabytes to use on your daily basis, you can use it to get some knowledge, to browse so many things, to ask AI so many things for free, and you see the result instantly. Hope you are enjoying this. Are you going to give it a try? Have you been battling with the